When a homeowner is looking into solar, I think they should really do a good amount of research. It's a big investment. It's something that's important. It's something that's going on your home, probably the biggest asset you have. So I think they should really do the research.
When clients choose HES Solar, they really are going to be getting a very personalized experience with us. We really have the ability to take the time for each individual project.
You're putting an asset on your home. It's something that's going to stay there and something that you're going to see every day. So having it look really nice is really important. Now, the precursor to that is the design. The design of it is a really fun part because your sales representative, they get to help design the system with you.
We sit with the customer and we analyze what their needs are. We design a system with the customer. We find out what their energy usage is and what it has been, but also if it's going to change at all. You know, they might have it going up with an additional electric car. They might have it going down with kids going off to college. So we want to sit down and really design a system with the customer for their needs.
Homeowners that are purchasing their solar systems, they're now in charge of their energy. They are now energy independent. And our systems, they have a 25-year warranty, but they're also meant to last for up to 40 years. So, I mean, zeroing out your energy bill for 40 years sounds pretty good to me.